He wandered among the tables until he spotted a dealer he had never seen before. She was strikingly tall, taller than him, and quite thin. She had a long, sharp nose and chin, dark, crescent-shaped eyes, and smooth olive skin. Her hair was long and shimmering black, with a confounding flare of white that began at one temple and streaked to the back. She appeared to be in her mid-30s, a few years older than Jason. He ran a nervous hand through his thick red hair. Better check this one out. He moved behind the middle of the crowded table and watched her swift, graceful shuffle of the cards. She had very long, thin fingers which worked the cards with expert precision. She was a helicopter dealer, a flashy style in which the dealer arcs the cards high in the air, spinning them like a helicopter blade, causing them to flutter softly down in front of the players. The best dealers could do this without revolving toward each of the 6 players' slots on the table, simply adjusting the height of their hands and the snap of their wrist. The sensational dealers could do all this while frequently landing the second card for each player directly down on the first. She was doing this consistently and without visible effort. Jason marveled at her cat-like deftness and control. He watched the play through several decks, doing some rudimentary card counting. He would adjust his bets upward if the deck was 10 rich, a favorable condition where a significant number of cards had been dealt without many face cards having appeared. The deck had been steadily 10 rich since his arrival. As soon as third base was unoccupied, Jason slipped in. After a hand was completed, he laid a $20 bill up above the betting circle. The dealer whipped it away, and Jason noticed her long, sharp, bright red nails. She plucked 10 silver dollars and 2 $5 chips out of her tray and quickly slid them on the green felt to his position. He looked up at her name tag. It read, "Welcome to the Mint, Mara Serafina. Live it up." "That's a nice name," Jason blurted. "Is that all your first name, or what?" She glanced at him, expressionless. "It is my name," she said, and turned to deal. Jason shifted uncomfortably. He never spoke to dealers, except to ask for change. Her glance had given him a peculiar chill. He was uncomfortable, feeling that he was at some kind of disadvantage. He quickly ordered a bourbon and 7-Up from the cocktail waitress. It was his father's drink, the drink Jason always ordered at the tables. His father had died with that drink in his hand at the dinner table when Jason was 17. Jason's wanderings had begun not long after. He settled into playing. The table was filled with $2 bettors, the unpaid shills, as the jargon had it. It was their steady, ignorant losing, not the wagers of the high rollers, that stoked the gravy train for the casinos. Jason loathed the idea that he might be one of them, but he felt that fortune was sure to bless him soon. He won a few hands and busted a few. The cards had been inconclusive. Now, though, the count was +4. He slipped 2 $5 chips into his betting circle. He was dealt a 13 against the dealer 8. He was hit a 6. She had a 10 underneath. Nice, he thought, as a little tingle spurred his belly. Many hands and a couple more drinks went by. Mara was uncannily nimble with the cards. Jason had never seen better. She was shuffling up for the shift change when an errant card popped out and landed on the floor to Jason's left. He felt his eye, then his hand, drawn to the card. he bent to pick it up.